First, open up the glove box. Now, there's a little door inside of here. You just take off this cover so you can access the old cabin air filter. Go ahead and pinch this little tab to open up and access the old one. Now let's pull the old one right out. This one hasn't been changed in quite a while. Notice on this one the airflow arrow is going up. Ours will go in the same way. Let's get this replaced with a brand new cabin air filter. When we're putting this one in, we want to make sure the airflow arrows are going up, which they are. Let's go ahead and slide it in that direction now. Once you get it in, close the door, and then put the cover back in place. Once you do that, you're all done.